excited to share this progression episode of the swing through backflips, the swing through gainers, the switch gainers, the swing flips, whatever the fuck you want to call it. It does not matter. What matters is that you have fun. This particular move was a real cunt. And I say that because I cunt-curred this move. I had a huge mental block on even the most basic phase of the move, which is landing on one leg. I progressively broke down this move was training each phase separately. So I started off with a flash kick, of course. A strong standing backflip is the first thing you should have. A gainer, a one-leg backflip would help, so I would train that separately. And then landing on one leg, I also train that separately, taking off the two legs but landing on one. Ideally, you would land on your takeoff leg, which would be the switch backflip or the switch gainer. So once you're comfortable backflipping off of 2 feet and landing onto one, then you would train backflipping off of one leg or doing a gainer and landing on two. And once you're comfortable with the two, then you would combine the two, backflip off of one leg and land on one leg. And from there you can do a slight pause and throw your second flip. And gradually you're going to eliminate that pause to where you feel comfortable enough to throw it without pausing. That was the progression route I took. For me, the most difficult element of this move was landing on one leg, the switch leg, because I used to have horrible knee pain on my left knee, which is my takeoff leg. So naturally, I always wanted to land on my right leg. But when I finally began to lose some weight, strengthen my legs, strengthen my knees, and train very progressively, I did not feel too much knee pain anymore, and I was able to safely throw the move. And now I find that the move does not put that much pressure on your knees if you execute it correctly. You don't want to land too low. You don't want to hyperextend. You want to train smart, train gradually, train progressively. And from there, you too will be able to execute this move safely. Of course, do it at your own risk. I'm not responsible for any injuries or fuck-ups you do. I'm just here sharing my learning method and what helped me out, and hopefully it'll help some of you guys out.
We're out here in HB, hanging out, looking at the beautiful ocean, man. Do you realize what you're capable of doing right now? There it is, that's it. Fuck it, dude, that's it. The sand is